Before any truck, trailer, or hauling vehicle leaves the yard, the driver should take the time to complete a proper pre-trip inspection. A pre-trip inspection is not just a formality. It's one of the most important steps a driver can take to prevent breakdowns, roadside violations, property damage, injuries, and serious crashes. This Toolbox Talk is for general safety awareness only. Always follow your company's policies, DOT requirements, manufacturer instructions, and any site-specific rules that apply to your work. A good pre-trip inspection starts before the vehicle is ever put in motion. Walk around the truck and trailer slowly. Look for anything that seems damaged, loose, missing, leaking, or out of place. Start with the tires. Check for proper inflation, visible damage, uneven wear, cuts, bulges, or objects stuck in the tread. Make sure lug nuts are in place, and look for signs of rust trails or movement around the wheels. Next, check your lights and reflectors. Headlights, brake lights, turn signals, hazard lights, clearance lights, and trailer lights all need to work properly. Other drivers need to see you clearly, especially in the early morning, at night, during bad weather, or on busy job sites. Check your mirrors and windshield. Make sure they are clean, secure, and not cracked in a way that affects visibility. Good visibility is critical when backing up, changing lanes, turning, or driving near pedestrians and equipment. Look underneath the vehicle for leaks. Fluid leaks can point to problems with fuel, oil, coolant, brake systems, hydraulic systems, or other important components. If something is leaking, it needs to be reported before the vehicle is used. Drivers should also check brakes, steering, horn, wipers, seat belts, gauges, emergency equipment, and any other warning lights on the dashboard. If you are pulling a trailer, inspect the hitch, coupling device, safety chains, electrical connections, trailer brakes, and landing gear. Do not forget about the cargo area. Even if load securement is covered separately, the driver should still confirm that the load appears stable and that the doors, gates, tarps, straps, and tie downs are secure before leaving. A rushed inspection can miss something serious. A few minutes spent checking the vehicle can prevent hours of downtime, a failed inspection, or a dangerous incident on the road. If you find a defect, report it. Do not assume someone else already knows about it. Do not ignore it because you're in a hurry. Small problems can quickly become major hazards once the vehicle is moving. The key points to remember are simple. Inspect before you drive. Look for anything damaged, loose, leaking, or unsafe. Check tires, lights, mirrors, brakes, steering, and emergency equipment. Make sure trailers and loads are secure. And never operate a vehicle if a serious safety issue has not been addressed. A pre-trip inspection protects the driver, the company, the public, and everyone working around the vehicle. Before you roll out, slow down, walk around, and make sure the equipment is ready for the road.